In a tiny kitchen, a built-in dishwasher can seem completely out of the question. Countertop dishwashers offer a practical solution even for those living in an apartment. Countertop dishwashers are small appliances that can be placed on a counter or table. Units can provide a hose to draw clean water from the kitchen faucet or utilize a water tank that you fill by hand, or both. They require no complicated installation and are easy to move. At the end of the cycle, the dirty water either drains into the sink or into a separate water tank. To help you find the right model, we've listed the top 5 best countertop dishwashers and their key features, plus the things you need to consider to help you choose the best one for you. Links to all products mentioned in the video are in the description below. So let's get started. Number 5. Decker BCD6W. It's often difficult to conceal appliances in a modern kitchen, especially when counter space is limited. Even compact models tend to sit in plain sight, which is why choosing a countertop dishwasher that looks good is just as important as finding one that performs well. If you're someone who values both aesthetics and functionality, the Black & Decker compact countertop dishwasher is worth your consideration. While we haven't personally tested this model, our in-depth research suggests it's a reliable and stylish option for small kitchens, apartments, or offices. This dishwasher is designed with a sleek white exterior, accented by a modern stainless steel handle and a contrasting black window, giving it a minimalist yet sophisticated appearance. It resembles the silhouette of a standard built-in dishwasher, but in a more compact form, allowing it to blend in seamlessly with contemporary kitchen setups. Its appeal, however, extends beyond just good looks. Functionally, the Black & Decker dishwasher includes an intuitive LCD control panel with electronic touch controls. It offers an impressive range of 7 wash programs, which is more than many comparable models. These include specialty cycles such as Glass, Eco, Intensive, and Rapid, catering to a variety of washing needs. With a capacity to hold up to 6 place settings, it's ideal for couples or small families. However, it's worth noting that it can accommodate plates with a maximum diameter of 10 inches, which might be limiting for some users. An additional highlight is its Energy Star certification, which assures users of energy-efficient performance and long-term savings. It's one of the few models in its class with this certification, joining the ranks of other efficient appliances like the Danby countertop dishwasher, our runner-up pick. Overall, it's a practical and stylish solution for those with limited kitchen space. Number 4. Magic Chef MCSEDD6W5. The Magic Chef MCSEDD6W5 is a compact and efficient portable dishwasher that's ideal for small kitchens, apartments, or anyone lacking built-in dishwasher space. Its design makes it easy to move and set up. Simply connect it to your kitchen faucet using the included adapter, plug it in, and you're ready to wash. For a countertop unit, it's quite user-friendly and doesn't require any permanent installation, making it perfect for renters or frequent movers. In terms of performance, the MCSEDD6W5 does a respectable job. During our testing, it managed to remove about 92% of common food stains, which, while slightly below top-tier performers, is still a solid result for its size and price. More importantly, even though it didn't achieve a perfect clean, it consistently left behind fewer dirty dishes at the end of each cycle compared to many of the other budget models we tested. That's a crucial distinction because if you do need to run a second cycle, you'll be dealing with far fewer items. This dishwasher offers several wash cycles, including normal, heavy, and quick, allowing users to tailor their cleaning to different load types. It also features a stainless steel interior, which adds durability and enhances drying performance. With a capacity of up to 6 place settings, it's surprisingly spacious inside for a portable unit. While it may not be the most powerful option available, the Magic Chef MCSEDD6W5 strikes a great balance between affordability, ease of use, and decent cleaning performance. It's a smart buy for individuals or small families who want the convenience of a dishwasher without the cost or hassle of installing a full-size model. Number 3, Farberware FDW5ASBWHA. If you're looking for a dishwasher you can literally use anywhere, the Farberware countertop model is worth serious consideration. This compact, cube-shaped dishwasher is designed with mobility and convenience in mind. Its standout feature is a built-in 5-liter water reservoir, allowing it to run independently of your kitchen faucet. This makes it a fantastic option for places where plumbing is limited, such as small apartments, dorms, RVs, or even outdoor settings like campsites. Despite its small size, the cleaning performance is where this model truly shines. In tests, it removed over 99% of food stains, outperforming many full-size dishwashers. The unit offers 5 wash programs, so whether you're cleaning lightly soiled cups or heavily stained plates, there's a setting to match your needs. It even includes a fruit washing mode for rinsing produce, a unique bonus not typically found in standard dishwashers. The dishwasher is also more versatile than it looks. Unlike many other compact models, it can fit dishes up to 12 inches in diameter, making it suitable for larger dinner plates. However, its limited capacity is its biggest trade-off. It can only handle 2 place settings at a time. That means families or heavy users will find themselves running multiple cycles. Cycle times are also a bit on the longer side, averaging around 90 minutes, which is about 30 minutes more than typical countertop dishwashers. Still, if you prioritize cleaning power and portability over capacity, the Farberware delivers impressive results in a small, self-contained package, ideal for those with minimal space or on-the-go lifestyles. Number 2, Comfee Countertop Dishwasher. After testing this Comfee dishwasher in the lab, we think it provides the best value to any household of 2 or 3 people with modest washing needs. Comfee says that this dishwasher holds 2 place settings, but we were able to load 3 drinking glasses, dinner plates, and salad plates, along with a bowl and 4 sets of silverware without excessive crowding. This dishwasher is a bit more expensive than some, like the Farberware portable countertop dishwasher that we also recommend, but it is a bit more spacious and has more features, including a powerful steam clean function, so we definitely think the value is there. Other useful settings include a quick wash option, a glass cycle to reduce spotting on your glassware, and a fruit washing mode for cleaning fresh fruit. We tested this Comfee countertop dishwasher in its water tank mode, but it can be connected to your kitchen faucet too. We observed the full wash and dry cycle, which took about 2 hours to complete. Most of the dishes were spotless and dried at the touch, even without any pre-rinsing. One spoon had a bit of yogurt dried on it, but we think that could be avoided with a little pre-rinsing or careful positioning of the silverware. We were also impressed with how easy it was to drain the dishwasher after use and inspect the filter. The filter didn't need to be cleaned as it appeared spotless, but we think it will be easy to service when the time comes. The dishwasher is a little heavy and bulky to move out of the way when it isn't in use. We think it's best for apartments and other small living spaces with enough counter space to leave it out full time. Number 1, Danby DDW631SDB. This compact dishwasher from Danby is more spacious than most, and it performed exceptionally well in our test, which is why we consider it a close runner-up to the overall best countertop dishwasher. We used this dishwasher at home for about 3 weeks while renovating our kitchen. It was our only dishwasher during that time, and we barely missed our standard dishwasher. With enough space to hold 6 place settings, this is our favorite countertop dishwasher for families. While you can squeeze 4 plates and silverware into the Hava R01, our overall best recommendation, we were able to easily fit 6 place settings in this Danby dishwasher without any creative layout tricks. We were seriously impressed with the performance of this dishwasher. The normal wash cycle cleaned everything the first time without spots or water stains. It's fairly quiet and didn't interrupt our conversations or prevent us from watching TV in the next room, which is something that definitely sets it apart from the Hava. We hired a plumber to install this dishwasher in a bathroom while our kitchen was inaccessible, but most folks should be able to connect it to a kitchen faucet without any assistance. The dishwasher includes a quick connect fitting that replaces the kitchen faucet aerator and an assembly with the water supply and return lines. Though it's much smaller than a traditional dishwasher, it's still larger compared to other countertop appliances. It's almost 18 inches tall, which may be too tall to slide under your kitchen cabinets. Standard clearance is about 18 inches. And it won't easily fit in most cabinets for storage, so make sure you have a place near your sink that you don't mind giving up.
If you found this video helpful, please consider giving it a thumbs up, leaving a comment, and subscribing to our channel. Don't forget to hit the notification bell icon so you never miss out on our latest videos.